Well, so this is what will happen today, everybody. The end of the January, so windy, heavy wind, it's like a storm. As we can see, look at the sand. It's blowing to the face, straight to the face. The beanbags is falling over, falling down. Umbrella, no one sitting on the umbrella except one right over there. Look at that. But yeah, it's not the best weather really. And also we can see Legian Beach. Definitely Legian is empty. Legian is empty, no one in here at the moment. All the umbrellas and the beach bar are open, is open, but they are hiding. It's open but they are hiding. Also the boys are hiding as well. Look at this. Very bad. No one in here. No one really. So this is what really happening now. What really happening now. Look at the sand. Woo! Crazy. Whoa. All the vendors are hiding under the tent over there. The footpaths are empty, no one in here. Uncle Chad, home Legian. The workers asleep. Antonio. Woo. No good at all. Top lady holding umbrella. Ah, beautiful. Yes, good. Yeah. Not the best day ever. No good, no good. Cheers, guys.